Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to source for honest and detailed product reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the best Intex pool plugs for winter, the Fox Bunny 2PC's winter plug set for Intex and Bestway pools. If you've been searching for a reliable way to protect your pool during the colder months, you found the right video. As pool owners, we know how important it is to winterize our pools properly, and the Fox Bunny winter plug set makes this process incredibly easy. This two-piece set is designed to fit perfectly on Intex pools with a diameter of up to 457 cm and Bestway pools with shut-off valves. It also works well for small pools with internal pump connections that have an 83 mm external thread. No more worrying about leaks or frost damage. These plugs provide a snug, leak-proof seal to keep your pool in top condition. What makes these plugs stand out is their durability. They're made from high-quality materials that guarantee frost resistance and absolute leak-proof performance. This means that you can confidently leave your pool outside all winter, knowing that the water won't damage the pipes or cause any costly repairs come springtime. Installation is a breeze, and you don't need to be a pool expert to set them up. Simply screw the plugs onto the threads for the pump hoses, and you're done. It only takes seconds to prepare your pool for winter, and it's as easy as it gets. This quick and simple installation will save you time and effort, so you can focus on other tasks. If you're looking for a solution that's both cost-effective and dependable, this set of winter plugs will certainly save you money in the long run. With these plugs, you won't need to worry about reassembling your pool every year. Instead, you'll enjoy a hassle-free pool opening when warmer weather comes back. Just a quick note, though these plugs are not compatible with Intex pools that feature aeration nozzles, so be sure to check your pool specifications before purchasing. But for most Intex and Bestway pool owners, these plugs will be the perfect fit. In conclusion, the Fox Bunny winter plug set is a fantastic investment for anyone who wants to protect their pool from the harsh winter elements. Its frost-proof, leak-proof design and quick installation make it one of the best options available on the market today. Whether you're new to pool ownership or a seasoned pro, this product will keep your pool safe and secure all winter long. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful product reviews. See you next time.